Hello everyone, welcome to a new video today for how to install Python 3.14.0 in Windows 10. Don't forget subscribe. I wait you. I am grateful to you, my friend. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For this, first go to your browser and search Python download. Go to the first link. Here, scroll down. Here you can choose the version you want. I am downloading the latest 3.14 version. Click on it. Here click on Add Python.exe to path, then click on Customize Installation. Here click on For All Users, then click on Next. Now click on Install Python 3.14 for all users. Then click on Install. Now click Yes on the pop-up. Now wait for a few minutes while the installation completes. After the installation is complete, click on Close. Now search and open Command Prompt. Here type the following: Python --version, click Enter. Here you can see Python 3.14 is successfully installed. Now to code in Python, search IDE, open the Python IDE. Here you can type the Python code and start coding. Here I'm writing a simple code to print Hello World. Click Enter. Here you can see the output is successfully printed.